From the moment I was handpicked for your turbine reservoir, I couldn't wait to meet you, to seamlessly work with you every day. The day of our arranged partnership came, and it was a unified match. I vowed to keep you rotating, and you vowed to always be operating. As the months and years went by, I could feel the wear on our partnership. I could feel my tone becoming acidic. I could see you were slowing down. Depleted and exhausted, the contamination in our partnership was growing, and I knew that if I didn't do something soon, it would be over. It is time for an intervention. Time for couples therapy. Time to reacquaint ourselves with the vows we made. Time to make up. Meet ICB, a patented ion exchange therapist. Its promise? To target the cause of our failing partnership, to remediate the contaminants tearing us apart, to remove the acidity between us, and restore the qualities we once fell in love with. A few months went by, and it was obvious the therapy was working. I could feel us moving synergistically again. I could feel my once golden glow return. I could feel your strength and commitment renew. We are back in action, seamlessly rotating and operating once more. A makeup, not a breakup. Start today, save tomorrow. EPT Clean Oil. Rethink, remove, restore. To learn more, visit cleanoil.com.